Golf Clash Tour 7. This is Sunshine Glades. It's hole 1. I'm going to use this fireworks ball because it really helps a lot to bring the wind down. It's 4.7 now, otherwise it would be about 8 or 9 miles an hour. 3 backspin and 3 left side spin. I'm thinking, I'm going to change to the extra mile here to make sure I get on. You want to sit over enough that you've got some safety there. You're going to do a curl. I'm going to do a curl here that's got like just enough power to get you over that sand bunker.
Perfect shot.
Looks good so far. Made the bunker. Just about right. That's just enough to, that's a power 1 ball. That's just enough to slow it down.